In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Messenger account without any Facebook account. To start, open your Messenger application. Then you have to tap the last one, create new account. Open it, then tap get started and enter your first name and last name. Enter your first name like this, enter your last name like that. After entering first and last name, tap next. Then you have to provide your birthday. You can provide your birthday like this. After, tap set, then tap next. Here you have to select your gender type. After, tap next. Here either you can enter your mobile number or you can sign up with your email address. So if you want to sign up with your email address, select that one. Here, enter your email address. After entering email, tap next. Then they ask to enter your password. After providing your password, tap next. Then it asks to save your info. Tap save. Then tap agree to go forward. Just wait a few seconds until it's set up. Then they ask to enter the confirmation code that they sent to your email address. So minimize this application, then open your email application. After, you can see there is a new email from Facebook. If you open that, you can see there is a confirmation code. Either you can tap the confirm your account or you can copy and paste your confirmation code like this. Go back to Messenger application, then paste the code here, then tap next. If you want, you can enter the code. Here they ask to add profile picture. I skip that option. Then now you have successfully created your Messenger account. This is your Messenger account. If you open Messenger, you will see this kind of notice. This is account center. If you tap OK, after, that's how you can create a Messenger account. So once you create a Messenger account, it will automatically create a Facebook account. If you want to deactivate your Facebook account, you can click this end screen video and come on over. That's how to create a Messenger account. That's it. Later.